Hello, everyone. My name is Ayana Khan, and I am the founder, president, and CEO of the Delaware Black Chamber of Commerce.
And my name is Dr. Ron Whitaker, and I'm the senior pastor of the Mother African Union Church, affectionately known as the Motherland Nation.
Today, more than 140,000 of our Delaware families and friends are living with a substance use disorder. It's a crisis that we cannot ignore.
That's why the Motherland Nation is partnering with the Delaware Black Chamber of Commerce and the Delaware Division of Substance Abuse and Mental Health to engage the BIPOC business community of Delaware. We're asking business leaders across the state to take a pledge and make a commitment to help end the opioid crisis in Delaware.
Our goal is to educate our community about the opioid crisis disorder, which is a treatable brain disease, to begin a dialogue at our places of businesses and our community about how to reduce the stigma that prevents people from seeking help, and teaching our employees and customers of our local businesses across our state how to administer Narcan and save a life from overdose.
We are urging local businesses to join us. Visit stopthestigmadelaware.org to learn more. And if you need urgent help, call 1-833-9-HOPE-DE. Ayana, I'm excited. Next week we have our inaugural Mixer with a Message. This is going down on the 12th at 5 o'clock at the Chancery Market. What's your thoughts?
I'm excited for this mixer to help open the dialogue and discussion about the opioid crisis. It's a mixer with a message, so come on out. It is free to the community, and it's at the Chancery.
And I think the beautiful part about this is that we're talking about stigma. It's bringing two communities together that actually complement each other and not compete. Exactly. On Sundays, I'm seeing the business community, and Monday through Saturday, you're seeing the faith community. So we have to really engage in this dialogue to let everyone know that there is help. And number two, that entering into the holiday season perhaps is not joyous for everyone. Right. So we have to have the conversation and also offer resources.
Absolutely, and both communities are intersectional. So it's great that we're coming together to do this work. I'm excited.
Yeah, so y'all need to come on out, make sure that you register, make sure you show up, and to tell someone else about this Mixer with a Message. Do you want to give them the registration information in closing?
Yes. You can register. It's free to the community at www.debcc.org.
Thank you.